Hard bounces are permanent failures. The email address doesn't exist, or the domain is invalid, or the recipient server permanently rejected the delivery. Unlike soft bounces, which are temporary issues, hard bounces signal bad list data. So it's important to always go through your contact list and, maybe do some house cleaning. So, all right, I have 6 hard bounces, but how do I find who those 6 are? I'm about to show you how to do this. This is how you can maintain the integrity of your contact list. We're gonna go over here to settings and then email. Okay, so here it says 0, so we're gonna change it. The reason why it says 0 is because look at my date range. My date range is all wrong. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna put last 3 months. How's that? Okay, and it says here I have 7 bounces. So all I have to do now is just click into here and there it is. It's showing me all 7 contacts where these are bad email addresses. Okay, so let's check out Mary's. I'm going to go right into her contact record by clicking this little icon here. You see how my cursor changes to a hand? Okay, and here is where in the Do Not Disturb section of the contact records, you want to go to email and click that so that no matter what other campaigns, if they're included accidentally in a campaign, the email will not be sent. Therefore, it won't bounce. I also take the added step of adding a tag, no good, and what that does is it triggers an automation that I have set up that after 30 days it deletes the account. As I mentioned it, here is how I keep my contact list integrity protected, okay? There are several things that you can put in place, but I'll show you this one because I mentioned it earlier. This is an automation that handles bounced emails. When an email is a hard bounce on an email that I've set out as part of my campaign, I have the automation already up and ready to handle it. So once the email event, okay, so here is email event, okay, email events, and here I'm telling it the email events is bounced. Other options are clicked, complained as spam, opened, actually I'll add that one too, opened or unsubscribed, okay? So let's go ahead and add those while I'm at it. I'm going to save this trigger. I'm going to go ahead and add email event, and I'm going to say, let's go to filters, and I'm going to say, let's see, event is, all right, I already have bounce. I'm going to say complained, if they complain that it's spam. So in this case, oops, here, I'm going to put marked as spam. Okay, I'm going to save that one. I'm going to add one more trigger, email event, add filter, event, and then I'm going to say unsubscribed. Okay, so this one here is subscribe, meaning they don't want my emails. So why would I send them anything? Okay, so now I have, if an email bounces, if it's marked as spam, or if it's unsubscribed. All right, what do I want it to do? Well, I want it to tag the contact record as bounced. I just wanted to add a new tag called bounced, okay? And then I want it to enable the do not disturb for that contact record. Now, this is for a specific channel. You can do all channels, right? You can do not disturb for all channels, do not disturb for specific channels, or you can disable or enable any one of those things. So in this case, I want to enable do not disturb for specific channels, meaning their email. Okay? You could do it for calls, you could do it for text messaging, WhatsApp, Facebook, Google My Business, right? But in this case, I'm just going to limit it to email, and I'm going to save the action. And now here, this is interesting. This is what I mentioned to you before. When I tag someone as no good, let me go ahead and save this so I can show you. Save. Okay. I'm going to go back. So in this workflow, when a contact is tagged as no good, I remove them from all workflows. I don't want to bug them. I don't want it to destroy my sender reputation either by having all kinds of things bounce, right? So I'm going to take them off of all workflows. And then I'm also going to remove them from my pipelines, right? I'm going to remove them from all my pipelines, which is usually just this one here. Yep. Okay. And here, delete contact. Remove them from the opportunity. I remove them from the workflow. If I mark them as no good, and they get deleted. Say, that's how I keep my contact list up to date. Okay, so anyway, listen guys, I hope that you found this very helpful. And please make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips. I put these up every single week. Thanks for watching.
If you're new to Go Highlevel and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realleadsfinder.com for more information.